Teacher Hazel. Welcome to another video. Bago pa kayo sa aking channel, welcome. If hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. Today's video is something new to me because this is a product review of a medical device. Disclaimer, I am not a nurse nor a doctor. I just want to share to you the item that I purchased because I believe that this is very beneficial in every household, especially during this time of pandemic. This is a pulse oximeter. First, what is a pulse oximeter? Pulse oximeter is a measure of how much oxygen is in our blood. The purpose of this one is to know how well our heart is pumping oxygen through our body. Before we will proceed with the device, there are precautions before you will use this item. First, you have to remove any nail polish, tattoos, or dye nails. Second, you have to sanitize or wash properly your nails before using the item. Third, warm up your finger before placing in the device. Fourth, position the probe correctly. Fifth, make sure you are sitting still. The next clip is about the device. Insert.
Packing consists of storage bag, lanyard, and a fingertip oximeter. Low power consumption, works with 2 AAA batteries. The device will automatically power off in 8 seconds if there's no finger signal. A 1-button operate. Small in volume, lightweight, and convenient to carry. Make sure you are sitting well and has warmed up your fingers before placing in the device. Wait for half a minute. There are 2 different readings shown. The upper portion is the oxygen saturation percentage of blood. The lower portion is the pulse rate. An ideal pulse oximeter readings. An oxygen saturation level of 95% to 100% is considered normal. Values under 95% are considered low.
That's about it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is beneficial and helpful to you guys. Remember, stay safe, stay healthy, stay protected. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Gracias!